Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for being here. Guess what? Today we have another Advent Calendar. It is the OPI Shine Bright. Let's get in here and see what it looks like. So this is one of the Advent calendars that I'm kind of looking forward to the most. And what I'm trying to decide with it is, do I have the nerve to throw down with some Insta fun with this? Because I thought, how fun would it be to open one of these every day and change my nail polish every day during December? I know, that sounds like a really big job, doesn't it? Just in case I decided to do it, I also got some nail polish remover. I purchased this from Ulta and I think it was $49.95. If you would like to purchase it, Ulta does not have it anymore, but it was on Amazon as of when I came up to tape this. It will not be available, unfortunately, until December 11th. So if you truly want to do it as an Advent, it's not in stock until December 11th, which means you'll have it probably the 13th. But I wanted it regardless because I like the little minis, because that's about how much commitment I have to a nail polish before I want to move on. So this was a great way to try a bunch of colors. So let's just open it right up. So let's get in here and see what our colors are. So we have 25 colors. Excellent. So it's not a 24-day Advent calendar. It is a 25-day Advent calendar. And like I said, it just goes across. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I will just open these up in direct order. But if you wanted to cheat, you could treat yourself to a cheat. It's all right here on the back. It says on the inside of each door what our color is. So this is ready for the holidays. And it is just a nice, pretty red, ready for the holidays. Number 2 is called Alpine Snow. So it is a nice white. Number 3 is called Tickle My Francie, and this is kind of like a mauvey nude. It is really pretty. I think these are colors I will definitely use. Number 4 is This Gold Slays Me. I like that a lot too. These are great little colors so far. Not one I can't wear. Number 5 is Dressed to the Wines. This looks very much like what I have on. Doesn't it look kind of like what I have on? So we know right away a color I like. And number 6 is Kyoto Pearl. That is super pretty. I hope you guys can see the opalescence in that. It is really pretty. Just for the record, I just put all those back, but to kind of cheat, I opened the top to show you guys this as a grouping because I think that really shows you the first 6 days and it gives you kind of more of an idea of, you're gonna have 25 of these. So that's like a year's worth of nail polish if you wanted it to be. All right, let me slide that back in. Moving on to number 7, we have Bombay Purple, and it's kind of a purpley pink. It's really pretty. So far, I have to tell you, and it doesn't usually work out for me like this, these colors are leaning really cool. Number 8 is, this shade is Ornamental. And that is what that looks like. I hope that the glimmers and shimmers of all of this are coming across. That is so pretty. Number 9 is Malaga Wine. Absolutely gorgeous. And number 10 is Gingerbread Man Can. That is, I like that they did some festive colors, some festive names. I like it. Number 11 is Made in Cranberry. That's really pretty. Number 12 is It's a Girl, and that's a pretty pink. Number 13 is Bubble Bath, and that's just kind of right there at a cross between a pink and a white and almost a nude. It's just, it straddles all of those lines. Number 14 is Russian Navy, and it is just a really pretty navy color. I like that. And number 15 is, oh, I can get fully behind this, Strawberry Margarita. Number 16 is Bogota Blackberry. Oh, that is really pretty. You guys will absolutely be seeing this color. That is so pretty. Number 17 is Topless Beach. How cute is that? And it's just kind of a taupey color. Number 18 is Aurora Berry Alice. Aurora Berry Alice. So cute. Wouldn't it be fun to, what do you do for a living? I name OPI nail polishes. That sounds like a fun job. All right, number 19 is Snow Falling for You. And it's kind of a pinky, but you can see it's got a lot of shine to it. I like it. All right, now I'm gonna slide this one out just like I did that first one because I think it has an impact if you guys can see, this is the next set. So this is 7 through 19. Look how pretty those colors are. It's all just so pretty, but very cool. I am surprised. I have not come across any that I think I can't use. Not that you can't use any nail polish you want. You absolutely can, but my skin is very light and pink undertoned, and so if it tends to be a rustier or warmer color, just like my face, it just doesn't look as good. Now we have 20 through 25. I'm gonna go ahead and pre-open these. And I will tell you that I was just thinking when I did my Sephora sale order, I had to talk myself out of ordering the Ciate London set 2. And I kept saying to myself, what are you going to do with 50 mini nail polishes? And myself kept saying, I don't know, but I want them. And ultimately, my reasonable self won out, and now I'm just super sad about the whole situation, especially since I'm loving these. I feel like I'm definitely gonna use these. I probably would have used those too. I just should have gotten them. All right, number 20. Ooh, this one is dark. Oh, Linkin Park After Dark. That is so funny. So this is the Linkin Park After Dark, and I just referenced this a few days ago in a video that I did. I got very much like this one. It's a really, really deep purple that almost looks, let me see if I can show you guys, that almost looks black. I mean, when you put it on, but it's just the deepest of purples. I can't believe it's in here after I referenced it. I might have to give this up to my daughter. She is a Linkin Park After Dark girl. I think this is probably what got her through high school. I don't know that this is going to show through. I think it's gonna look black to you guys. I don't know if you can tell that there's purple in it. I will do all of that and look in editing to see if it shows any of the purpley blue. It's kind of a purpley royal blue that just when the light hits it, as it starts to dry down on the edge. Anyway, Linkin Park After Dark. This is the one that I referenced in that video the other day. That's funny. 21 is Tinsel Tinsel Little Star, and it's perfectly named. It's kind of a silver. I like that. Number 22 is Let's Take an Elfie. And it is another deep, deep purple. I hope that comes across. It is just another one of the deep purples, which, as you guys can tell, are some of my favorites. Number 23 is Heart and Coal. You can guess why it got its name. It is a really dark black kind of charcoal color, but I'm gonna turn this. I hope that you guys can see that it's got glitter in it. So that's gonna be really pretty. The beauty of this is I like to do, and I didn't do it this week, I like to do all of my nails the same color except for these two. I usually do with an accent. I don't know. You know, I know the younger people started doing it and it looked really hip, and I started doing it with them too, but they've kind of quit, but I still love the way it looks. So I'm hanging with it, even if it makes me look like an old lady clinging to it. All right, number 24, we have Naughty or Ice. And that is what that looks like. It's kind of another one of those whites with the glitter in it, but the glitter looks kind of opalescent, and it has a slightly pinkish beige feel instead of a completely white one. I like that. And our last, number 25, To All a Good Night. And I imagine because it is like a blue starry night sky. I love that. So I am very happy with this. I wondered if I would, oh, let me take this one out and show you guys. I wondered if I would use all of these. Once I got them, if they would be colors I could use, if I would be excited about it. I am so excited about it. And like I said, now I'm kind of sad that I didn't get the Ciate London one too. But that is what this last group of colors looks like. These are much darker, except for this one light one. This is a much darker grouping than the other groupings. So 25 mini nail polishes. I paid $49.95 at Ulta. You can get it on Amazon, but they won't ship it until December 11th. So you won't technically have it for an Advent at the beginning of the season. That said, I like these 25 colors. So I am happy to have it, whether it's an Advent or not. Here, let's pick another one. Like, let's do that To All a Good Night, which was this cool blue one at the end. Let's put it next to Linkin Park After Dark. This is really pretty. I don't think that I can do it justice with my camera. It is not nearly as dark as it looks, but that is what it looks like there. And this is just one coat of it here. And see how it's kind of, if I turn it, it's blue, but it's very shiny. That is so pretty. This one's dried a little bit, and you can see a little bit more of the blue purple in it, but that is Linkin Park After Dark, and that is was it To All a Good Night? Yes, To All a Good Night. There is so much glitter in that. It is so pretty. It's tiny, tiny little bits. Okay, that is the OPI Shine Bright Collection Advent Calendar. And there are 25 nail polishes in it. You get 25 3.75 ml or 0.125 fluid ounce mini nail lacquers. So that might be information you want if you're trying to work out the math. That said, I am sure dollar for dollar, ounce for ounce, milliliter for milliliter, however you do it, I'm sure this is not the cheapest way to buy it. I'm sure it is not. But it probably is the cheapest way to have 25 awesome colors to try. And I will do this in case you want to have a recap of the colors that I just did. They're so pretty. All right, that is that. And like I said, it was an Ulta haul, and I got the Expert Touch Lacquer Remover from OPI because I wanted it to match its nail polish. So I have that. Let me know below if you follow me on Insta, and if you do, if you have any interest. I actually thought about doing both of my hands, just doing my nails in a completely new color every day. And then I thought, well, you know what? I'm not leaving the house. We're working from home. We're staying home. There's nothing really going on. What I could do is I could completely strip my nails. And then on the first, I could do one. And on the second, the third, the fourth, the fifth. And then I could strip it after 10 and start over again. I think it would be kind of fun, or at the very least on like day one, do one whole hand, and then 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, something like that. Anyway, it sounds kind of fun to me. If you have any interest in seeing that over on Insta, please let me know. Thank you so much for coming by, guys. I really appreciate you taking the time to come spend this Advent time with me. I hope you are having a fantastic day. Please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you'll know when I have more fun videos coming out. And I will see you guys again really soon. Take care, everybody.